There are key differences between a journeyman's card and a qualified journeyman's identification card, especially in the context of electrical work in New Jersey. A journeyman's card is issued to individuals who have successfully completed a 4-year apprenticeship program registered with the New Jersey Department of Labor and Workforce Development, or NJDOLD, and have passed the NJDOLD Journeyman Electrician exam. This card denotes that the holder has demonstrated the knowledge, skills, and experience to work as an electrician in New Jersey. It allows the holder to perform all electrical work, including installing and maintaining electrical systems, repairing and replacing electrical components, and troubleshooting electrical problems. On the other hand, a qualified journeyman's identification card is issued to individuals who have completed 2 years of experience as an apprentice electrician under the supervision of a licensed electrician and have passed the NJDOLD's qualified journeyman exam. This card indicates that the holder is qualified to perform certain electrical tasks in accordance with the scope of work outlined in their NJDOLD certification. Typically, qualified journeymen are only permitted to work under the supervision of a licensed electrician. Considering the eligibility for each card, journeymen have completed 4 years of apprenticeship and passed the journeyman exam, while qualified journeymen have only completed 2 years of apprenticeship and the qualified journeyman exam. As for the scope of work, journeymen can perform all electrical work, while qualified journeymen can only perform certain tasks under the supervision of a licensed electrician. Both journeyman's cards and qualified journeyman's identification cards are important for electricians in New Jersey. They indicate to employers and customers that the holder has met the required qualifications and can perform their work safely and effectively. Certain exceptions may apply in cases where individuals have extensive experience in the electrical trade but have not completed a formal apprenticeship or passed the journeyman exam. These individuals may be granted a temporary journeyman or master electrician license through the NJDOLD. It is crucial to understand the specific requirements and limitations associated with each type of card to ensure compliance with New Jersey regulations and safe electrical practices. The 4-year apprenticeship program for journeyman electricians is a structured training program designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in the electrical trade. It typically includes a combination of classroom instruction and on-the-job training under the supervision of experienced electricians. During the apprenticeship, individuals learn about electrical theory, wiring methods, safety codes, and the installation and maintenance of electrical systems. The curriculum covers a wide range of topics, including electrical circuits, transformers, motors, generators, and control systems. Apprentices also gain hands-on experience in installing and troubleshooting electrical equipment in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Upon completion of the apprenticeship program, individuals are required to pass the NJDOLD Journeyman Electrician exam. This exam assesses their knowledge of electrical codes, safety regulations, and best practices in the electrical trade. Successful completion of the exam demonstrates that the individual has the necessary skills and knowledge to work as a qualified journeyman electrician in New Jersey. The 2-year experience requirement for qualified journeyman electricians involves working as an apprentice electrician under the direct supervision of a licensed electrician. During this period, individuals gain practical experience in performing electrical tasks and applying their knowledge of electrical theory and codes. The supervision of a licensed electrician ensures that apprentices receive proper guidance and training in safe electrical practices. The NJDOLD's Qualified Journeyman exam is designed to assess the knowledge and skills of individuals who have completed the 2-year experience requirement. The exam covers topics related to electrical codes, safety regulations, and the specific tasks that qualified journeymen are authorized to perform. Successful completion of the exam demonstrates that the individual has the necessary qualifications to work as a qualified journeyman electrician under the supervision of a licensed electrician. The scope of work for qualified journeymen is typically limited to certain electrical tasks that are within their level of expertise and training. These tasks may include wiring circuits, installing electrical fixtures, and performing basic troubleshooting under the supervision of a licensed electrician. Qualified journeymen are not authorized to perform complex electrical work or work independently without supervision. The importance of both journeyman's cards and qualified journeyman's identification cards lies in their role in ensuring the safety and quality of electrical work in New Jersey. These cards provide assurance to employees and customers that the holder has met the required qualifications and can perform their work safely and effectively. By requiring electricians to demonstrate their knowledge and skills through formal training and examination, the NJEE helps to protect the public from the hazards of improperly installed or maintained electrical systems. The exceptions for individuals with extensive experience in the electrical trade but without formal apprenticeship or examination provide a pathway for experienced electricians to obtain a temporary journeyman or master electrician license. These exceptions recognize the value of practical experience and allow individuals who have demonstrated their competence in the field to work as licensed electricians in New Jersey. The process for obtaining a temporary journeyman or master electrician license typically involves submitting documentation of experience and passing an examination to demonstrate knowledge of electrical codes and safety regulations. The NJEE carefully evaluates each application to ensure that individuals who are granted a temporary license have the necessary skills and experience to perform electrical work safely and effectively. The regulations governing journeyman and qualified journeyman electricians in New Jersey are subject to change. It is important for electricians to stay informed of the latest requirements and updates to ensure compliance with the law. The NJEE provides resources and information on its website to help electricians understand their obligations and responsibilities. Electricians can also consult with industry associations and legal professionals to obtain guidance on specific issues related to licensing and regulation. The enforcement of electrical codes and regulations is the responsibility of local and state authorities. These authorities conduct inspections of electrical installations to ensure compliance with safety standards and take action against individuals who violate the law. Electricians who perform electrical work without the proper license or certification may face fines, penalties, and other disciplinary measures. In addition to the requirements for journeyman and qualified journeyman electricians, New Jersey also has licensing requirements for master electricians and electrical contractors. Master electricians are qualified to design, install, and maintain electrical systems in all types of buildings and facilities. Electrical contractors are licensed to operate a business that provides electrical services to the public. The requirements for obtaining a master electrician or electrical contractor license typically include a combination of education, experience, and examination. Individuals who wish to become a master electrician must have several years of experience as a journeyman electrician and pass a comprehensive examination on electrical codes, theory, and practice. Electrical contractors must also meet certain financial and insurance requirements to ensure that they can provide quality services to their customers. Continuing education is an important aspect of maintaining a journeyman, qualified journeyman, master electrician, or electrical contractor license in New Jersey. Electricians are required to complete a certain number of continuing education hours each year to stay up to date on the latest electrical codes, technologies, and safety practices. Continuing education courses are offered by various organizations, including trade schools, industry associations, and online training providers. These courses cover a wide range of topics such as electrical safety, wiring methods, energy efficiency, and renewable energy systems. The benefits of continuing education for electricians include improved skills, increased knowledge, and enhanced career opportunities. By staying current on the latest developments in the electrical industry, electricians can provide better service to their customers and advance their careers. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations emerging all the time. Electricians must be willing to adapt to these changes and embrace lifelong learning to remain competitive in the field. The use of technology in electrical work is becoming increasingly common. Electricians are now using computers, tablets, and smartphones to access information, diagnose problems, and control electrical systems. These technologies can help electricians work more efficiently and effectively, but they also require new skills and training. Electricians must be able to use software to design electrical systems, troubleshoot problems, and generate reports. They must also be able to use mobile devices to access information in the field and communicate with customers. The demand for qualified electricians is expected to grow in the coming years, driven by factors such as population growth, economic development, and the increasing use of electricity. As the demand for electricians increases, so does the need for qualified instructors and trainers. Trade schools and apprenticeship programs play a crucial role in preparing the next generation of electricians for the workforce. These programs provide students with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the electrical industry. Electricians who are interested in becoming instructors or trainers can pursue advanced training and certification. They can also work as mentors to apprentice electricians, sharing their knowledge and experience. The electrical industry offers a wide range of career opportunities for individuals with different skills and interests. Electricians can work in residential, commercial, or industrial settings. They can specialize in areas such as wiring, lighting, power distribution, or control systems. They can also work as electrical inspectors, project managers, or consultants. The key to success in the electrical industry is to have a strong work ethic, a commitment to safety, and a desire to learn and grow. Electricians who are willing to put in the effort and stay up to date on the latest technologies and regulations can have a long and rewarding career. The electrical code is a set of rules and regulations that govern the installation and maintenance of electrical systems. The purpose of the electrical code is to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The electrical code is developed and updated by organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and the International Code Council, or IC. The electrical code is adopted by state and local governments, and it is enforced by electrical inspectors. Electricians must be familiar with the electrical code and follow it carefully to ensure that their work is safe and compliant. The electrical code covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Electricians must also be aware of the safety hazards associated with electrical work. These hazards include electric shock, arc flash, and electrocution. Electricians must take precautions to protect themselves from these hazards, such as wearing personal protective equipment, using insulated tools, and following lockout/tagout procedures. Electric shock occurs when a person comes into contact with an energized electrical circuit. Electric shock can cause burns, muscle contractions, and even death. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical explosion that can occur when there is a fault in an electrical circuit. Arc flash can cause severe burns, blindness, and hearing loss. Electrocution is death caused by electric shock. Electrical safety is a critical concern for electricians and the public. By following safe work practices and adhering to electrical codes, the risks associated with electricity can be minimized. Remember to always de-energize electrical circuits before working on them, use appropriate personal protective equipment, and stay informed about the latest safety standards and regulations.